Let's talk about when and why I would deconstruct the machine weft. If the guest has finer density hair, I may choose to deconstruct one layer off of the machine weft for less density. I may also choose to further deconstruct into 3 separate smaller layers for density purposes. I may also want to customize the colors of the weft, deconstructing one layer off of this blonde weft and restacking a brunette over top. The last option of deconstructing the weft would be simply deconstructing 1 to 3 inches on the right of the weft and 1 to 3 inches on the left, just to allow for a finer, flatter application on the sides.